Hello, I am Sophia Denise and Erasmio, and I am 18 years old. And now I will applying for a job as a graphic design. Ano, may hire company that hires me, which is showcasing my skills like print designing, communicating, collaborating, time management, color theory, typography, and so on and so forth. And I also use my imagination and creativity to create all different kinds of projects like presentations, logos, YouTube thumbnails. Ano, it's like anything else like different kinds of projects that I use for the in the future. And I hope that I would like to collaborate with clients. And I hope that I will do my best to achieve my goals in the future after I graduated from the college, from the Philippine Women's College. And that's all for today, and I hope do my best in the future as long for many years, for at least 7, 8, or 9 or 10 years on. And I hope that I do my best to strive and achieve and to feel and succeed for my own goals that I can reach for now. And I hope from now on, thank you for this wonderful day, and I hope that I will be hiring now for the Dream Creation Studios.